Yeah.
We've got 4 more minutes, folks.
So President Donald Trump has insisted that he will not be making any financial cuts to Social Security, Medicare, and Medicaid. There's also been HCR 14, which states that, and it even states as the president wishes. What are your thoughts on that?
Do you believe him?
He had he had high tariffs, and he changed them, and he changed them, and he changed them. We know that he's lost credibility not only on tariff policy, but he has no credibility when he makes that statement. He needs to read the budget resolution that his team is trying to jam through the United States Congress, which requires massive Medicaid cuts. It would take over 500,000 of our fellow Arizonans off of Medicaid, meaning they can't see their primary care physician. The cost would go up because most of them would seek care in emergency care setting, and rural hospitals would close under this plan. And that affects not just Medicaid patients, it affects all people who utilize those hospitals. He needs to read his own plan instead of just speaking out of hand just to say whatever is convenient in the moment.
The president contradicts himself multiple times every single week. He often can't remember what he said the day before, and he'll go 180 degrees on multiple issues. So I wouldn't, like the congressman says here, I wouldn't trust him on this.
Senator Booker, can we get a response to that?
A response to what specifically?
So President Donald Trump has said that he will not be making financial cuts to Medicaid, Medicare, and Social Security. What are your thoughts on that?
Again, this is not an issue right now of what Donald Trump says, is what he's doing. The bill that has moved through Congress clearly takes direct aim at Medicaid and other vital programs. You don't have to even wait for that bill. He's already undermined Social Security in the United States of America, and you see that by them undermining services and shaking what is a bedrock promise to people. He's attacked public education. He has attacked retirement security. He's attacked our veterans. These are all things and folks that he said he would not do anything, but the facts are the facts. And so here we have what I think is probably one of the greatest threats to Americans' well-being, because as Senator Kelly said very plainly, we have a complicated medical system in the United States of America. To attack Medicaid would not only hurt the direct recipients who rely on Medicaid, but it would hurt our entire medical system, because so many of our hospitals, so many of our doctors, and so many of our other medical professionals really rely on that program to make everything work. This is a threat to us, and it's not kind of wait and see. We'll try to trust you, Donald Trump. It's time to stand up right now and not focus on Donald Trump only, really focus on those Republican Congress people who have the power to stop him. It only takes 3 people, and I believe one of them is right here in Arizona, to say I'm not going to vote for any bill that in any way cuts or diminishes Medicaid or hurts the great folks of Arizona who rely on programs for their health care, for their retirement security, for their veteran benefits, and more.
I got time for one last one, and then we got to go.